Just look at these visuals, the cinematic camera movements, the stunning lighting, the realistic details, and the immersive sound design. Every single shot looks like it came straight from Hollywood production. But here is the surprising part. All of this was created with AI. And today I will show you exactly how to create videos like this using an amazing AI video agent called Flua. Most people think you need multiple AI tools, complex prompts, and hours of trial and error. But what if you could simply describe your idea in a conversation? Let AI help you brainstorm, build a storyboard, generate the scenes, and even refine individual shots, all in just one place. So today I will show you Flova AI Video Agent and how I used it to create an original viral style AI commercial through a conversational workflow. Flova is not just another AI video generator, it's an AI video agent that works like a creative partner. Instead of spending time switching between different AI tools and rewriting prompts repeatedly, you simply chat with Flua, describe your idea, and let it help you build the entire production process. Let's see how it works. So instead of starting with a long, complicated prompt, I simply tell Flua the type of video I want to create. For this demo, I am creating a cinematic commercial for a premium coffee machine brand called Villa. I want the final video to have a luxury advertising feel with elegant lighting, rich coffee shots, cinematic camera movements, and premium visuals. To get started, I will simply describe what I want to create. I will just add this prompt. Next, I will upload the coffee machine product image so Flova can use it as a reference. Next, I will select the AI model for video generation. So right now I will choose Sedans 2.2. Then I will select the product commercial scale. Flova now guides me through the remaining workflow by asking a few simple questions, so I don't have to write long and complicated prompts. Once everything is set, Flova automatically generates a storyboard, create the visual assets, animate each scene, and assembles the final commercial in all-in-one workflow. It is doing it. I started with the storyboard. I will show you all the process in this. One thing I really like is that Flova doesn't just generate videos. It actually helps brainstorm ideas with you. If I don't like any concept, I can continue the conversation, ask for different camera angles, change the mood, modify the pacing, or completely redefine the creative direction without starting over. It feels much more like working with a creative team than using a traditional AI tool. Once the concept is finalized, Flova generates the complete storyboard. Each scene is organized clearly, making it easy to understand the flow before generating the final video. If I want to change specific scene, I don't need to rebuild everything. I can edit the storyboard, modify the prompt for scene, regenerate only the selected shot, and continue the workflow. This gives much more creative control throughout the production process. Another advantage is that AI video trend changes very quickly. Instead of learning a new platform every few months, Flova integrates leading AI models into one workflow, making it much easier to adapt as the new technologies become available. That flexibility is especially useful for creators who regularly produce AI content. For larger products, consistency is extremely important. Flova lets you see important creative assets such as characters, facial expressions, props, backgrounds, and other visual elements. This helps maintain a consistent look throughout your product instead of generating completely different result every time. One of my favorite feature is skills. Flova includes a skill library where professional creators have already built reusable workflows for different types of videos. You can start with an existing skill or build your own. What's useful is that a skill doesn't just save prompts. It can preserve storytelling structure, visual direction, model selection, prompt workflow, camera logic, and overall production process. That makes creating similar videos much faster in the future. Now let's take a look at the final video generated by the Flova. Actually, it is amazing. Just look at the rich coffee pouring, the steam, the cinematic camera movement, the premium lighting, and the realistic details of the coffee machine. Every scene looks like it belongs in a high-end coffee brand advertisement. And it's amazing to see it all come together automatically. I can see this workflow being useful for creating product advertisement, social media content, brand marketing videos, YouTube content, and freelance creative project where speed and creative flexibility matters. Overall, what impressed me most was not just AI video generation. It was the complete workflow, the conversational brainstorming, integrated AI models, storyboard editing, flexible scene regeneration, assess consistency, and reusable skills make Flua feel like a complete AI video production assistant instead of just another video generation tool. If you like to try it by yourself, use the link in my description. New user will receive 100 credits immediately after signing up, and you can receive an additional 200 credits by exploring Flua. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.